Hello all, welcome to Fun with Physics, and in this episode we'll be learning about the electromagnetic spectrum, featuring Jake, Ashley, and Andrew. Specifically in this episode we will be exploring the fun and exciting world of microwaves. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic or EM waves that fall towards the left side of the electromagnetic spectrum. The EM spectrum is a range of wavelengths and frequencies over which the electromagnetic radiation travels. EM waves do not require a medium to travel. They're created by the vibration of an electric charge and move at the speed of light. On the spectrum, wavelength increases from right to left, while energy and frequency increase from left to right. This means that since microwaves are on the left side of the spectrum, they have a large wavelength but low frequency and low energy. This is because the larger the wavelength, the lower the frequency and energy, but the smaller the wavelength, the larger the frequency and energy. The prefix micro suggests a wavelength in the micrometer range, but this is misleading. They were named microwaves because the wavelengths are smaller than those used in radio broadcasting. However, the wavelengths are not small relative to the rest of the EM spectrum. Microwaves, additionally, have wavelengths ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter, with frequencies between 300 megahertz and 300 gigahertz. So, where do we see microwaves in daily life? Well, they have a multitude of practical uses. For instance, microwaves could cause water and fat molecules to vibrate, which makes the substance hot, so we can use them to cook many types of food, such as ramen, which is my favorite, in the microwave. And thank God for microwaves, because mobile phones and Wi-Fi are two things that use them, and without them, we would all die. They can also be used for traffic speed cameras and for radar, which are used by ships, airplanes, and weather forecasters. Well, you might say, what does radar mean? Radar is actually an acronym for radio detection and ranging. This application is called active sensing because the waves are transmitted, then the reflected signals are received and analyzed. Fancy, huh? Microwaves, lastly, come from a variety of sources. Microwave sources include artificial devices such as circuits, transmission towers, radar, masers, and microwave ovens, as well as natural sources such as the sun and the cosmic microwave background. Microwaves can also be produced by atoms and molecules. They are a component of the EM radiation generated by thermal agitation. The thermal motion of atoms and molecules in anything causes them to emit and absorb radiation, such as the microwave. Thank you all for listening, especially thanks to Miss Bauer. I'm sorry I beat you in the bracket. I hope this fantastic presentation made up for that sadness.
Microwave, 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 microwave.